like.
What would be making it? I think I should calculate it. It's so low.
So listen, this has a horizontal asymptote of 1, right? The inverse function will have a vertical asymptote of 1. So for the x equals to 1 is a vertical asymptote for this guy, right? What's the graph of log base 5 of x minus 1 look like? Like I said, it has a vertical asymptote of 1, and it's the reflection of this. So this point right here is 0, 2. There's a 2, 0 point on the graph of the inverse function, and so it looks something kind of sort of like this. Although I shouldn't, my bad, they cross, okay, they cross. And this one crosses as well. It's not, this keeps going up and up, all right? It's more like that. I don't mean to give you the impression that they don't cross those. They do. And so there you're looking at the graph y equals f inverse of x, which in this case log base 5 of x minus 1. What's the, let's talk about domain and range. What's the range of 5 to the x plus 1? It's what? It's 1 to infinity. What's the domain of log base 5 of x minus 1? The same, right? What's the domain of 5 to the x plus 1? It's everything, right? What's the range of the inverse function? It's also everything, right? So the domain and the range of the function and the inverse function, they have to be, they're dual. They mirror each other, all right? Let's look at some more examples here. So here's some nice, pretty easygoing, simple problems from section 4.4. Here we're just evaluating some logs. So example 16, natural log of e to the 1.6. Example 17, we have the natural log of 27 times 943. That's odd. Example 18, we're asked what's the natural log of 84 over 17. And then example 19, we've got the natural log of 84 minus the natural log of 17. Example 20, we've got the natural log of the cube root of e. Some of these I need a calculator for, some of them I do not. Which ones do I not need a calculator for? Ooh. I feel like I shouldn't watch that video right now. Let's see here. So, my friend has sent me a video of a woman with a pizza, and she looks disgruntled. I assume there's going to be language. I don't know. Let's see here. So,
Wait, so you and your friends send memes back and forth?
Not so much memes. We're kind of
Reels, TikToks?
No, I don't do the. I don't do the. Should I start a TikTok thing and just be me grading?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do a TikTok. We would all watch it.
So this is 1.6. This is the natural log of e to the 1/3 power, also known as 1 over 3. As you can see, no need for a calculator there, right? The other two, the book asks us to calculate it accurate to 4 decimal places. So I'll do it. Natural log of 27 times 943, what do we get? So 10.1449. All right, so that's approximately. How about the natural log of 84 over 17? I get 1.5976 approximately.
Will we have questions that we need a calculator for?
Yes. Yeah. You do need to have a calculator. If I have my wits about me, I will insist on you giving me a decimal form for the answer to like if I ask example 8, like it would be wise for me to ask for a decimal form of your answer, because trying to figure out whether you guys are right or wrong about some kind of crazy fraction of logs, you could be right and it could look really different if you go about the steps in a different order, right? So it's in my best interest to ask you for a decimal number, because the thing is, we all should agree on the decimal form of the answer, right? How about this one? I shouldn't need the calculator for this. Why? Because the natural log of 84 divided by 17 is equal to the natural log of 84 minus the natural log of 17. These should be equal. So this should again be 1.5976. Now, so there you go. So you need to get the calculator you're going to use and try out some numbers. Make sure you can actually calculate logs, because it's I don't think it's something that everybody knows how to do before they take a math class. There's a little bit of a learning curve, and don't learn it on the quiz. Learn before, and certainly learn before the final, right? Any other questions? So, like next, you guys can ask me questions about mission 3 next time, maybe if you want. We'll have a quiz next time, obviously. And I guess that's it for today.
We have 2 more minutes left. I don't know why.